Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So you already know, as you can see by that thumbnail, that today we're going to be doing a wig review on LUVME, of course. So I've been working with LUVME for a while, so if you've been watching my videos, then you already know the deal. We just show you everything that comes in a box. Okay, they send you over some goodies. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so we're gonna get into this hair. So this is their kinky curly 99J or Burgundy 14-inch 5x5 closure wig. So I'm just showing y'all that it has the adjustable strap and how easy it is to put on. It comes with 4 combs and also adjustable straps. Okay, so we're gonna get into this lace, y'all. This is their top Swiss lace, and look at the knots, y'all. Like, they're super duper small, which is convenient for those who don't want to do anything to their wig. So this is what you get straight out of the box, y'all. You could pop it on just like this, but of course I'm gonna tweak it. So right now I'm just putting the wig on a mannequin head, and I'm just gonna lightly comb out the curls just so you can see how big the hair gets, y'all. Kinky curly is bomb AF. Like, look how poofy it's getting. So cute. So with this 5x5 closure, you can also use some side parts. And again, I'm just showing y'all a view of this beautiful hair. Okay everyone, so y'all see that we have the wig on the mannequin head. So I'm just going to give you a little deets before I actually go ahead and transfer this wig onto my head. And this is another wig from LUVME. I'm going to go ahead and link that video above or in the description box, wherever. Make sure you check it out, because look at these curls. But it's not about this hair, but this hair is also from LUVME. So this is the 14-inch 99J kinky curly 5x5 lace closure wig. So you do get this much lace. The hairline looks really good. It's kind of pre-plucked. The knots, you don't have to bleach, but if you do want to go ahead and bleach it, you can do that. So let's just get into some of this parting space. With the 5x5 closure, unlike 4x4s, you get more space, which gives you the opportunity to style your hair. So if you're not into frontals but you need a little bit more space, 5x5 closures is the way to go. So let's go ahead and part it on the side. So right now, you know, it came like this in the middle part. All I did was just fluff the curls out. So that's one side. It's pretty much giving you scalp anywhere you part it. Like I said, you do not have to bleach the knots. The curls are really pretty, and I know they're going to look even better when I wet them. So yeah, this is just a before, and y'all gonna see once it's on my head. So this is just after I washed the hair. I went ahead and plucked the hairline and pulled down some baby hairs as well. I'll post the shampoo and conditioner I used on the screen. On this clip, I just went ahead and brushed through the curls while they're wet so you can see how defined they are. Okay babes, so y'all see me install a wig a million times, so I'm just going to include like bits and pieces of it. If you do want to see like an in-depth install video, then I have plenty, so just go back and check those out on my channel, and I'll go ahead and link a few of them down below. Before I do add the makeup, I do want to show y'all what it looks like just on my head. So I do have on a wig cap, and I went ahead and put my cream foundation on there. I'm in the middle of doing a TikTok, so that's another reason why I'm not doing an in-depth tutorial. So make sure you follow me on TikTok. I'm going to make sure I list that right here. Make sure you head over there. So girl, yeah, this is what the hair looked like after it air dried overnight. I did not put any product on it. This is just what it's given by drying, and this was sitting for like 2 days air drying. I didn't rake through the curls or nothing. All I did was pluck the hairline and pull down some baby hairs, and that's it. The color is everything. Like, I'm obsessed with this color. I've had like a burgundy color before, so I'm not really nervous to try this. I am gonna go ahead and connect my adjustable band just for some extra security. Obviously you can't see much because I got this cap on. So what I'm gonna do, this is cute. When I comb it out and fix it up and stuff, it's gonna be cute. So what I'm gonna do is actually go ahead and finish my ball cap, and then I'll show y'all what the wig is looking like once I put her on my head. And then to glue down my ball cap, I'm just going to be using this Eben or Eben lace glue. This is their Extreme Firm Hold Active Glue. If you have any good lace glues, comment down below and let me know. Okay, so the ball cap is cut. Girl, I look bald head on the side. This hair right there is just all molded back. Don't play with me. So now let's see what the hair is looking like. No foundation on the lace. And then I'll show y'all what it looks like with the foundation on the lace. Ooh, a comb that went through, baby. Okay, so this is what it looks like with no foundation on. Y'all see this lace? So I am going to add a little bit of foundation and then we'll go from there. So let's actually put some like on the outside just so y'all can see the difference. Okay, so you can see that once you add your foundation or lace tint, that the lace is going to automatically blend. So let's do that for the entire wig. Sometimes I even like to take some and go press it on that hairline like that. We do want to insert our combs in the side. Oh. Now this wig ain't going nowhere. Our next step is gonna be go take care of this TikTok. No, I'm gonna tell y'all the steps and then I'm gonna come back once, you know, everything is all good. See how the foundation made a huge difference. It tinted my lace completely to the point where you can't see it. It's right here. Oh, that looks good. That looks so good. So we're just gonna cut the lace. You just want to pull your baby hairs up. And remember, we want to go in jagged motions. That way you don't be giving wiggy wig. Okay, so like I said, you can for sure wear this wig glueless. This side still has lace on it. This side has no lace. So we just slide our comb underneath. Look at that. It looks so freaking good. Like you don't even need glue. What? I might wear this glueless. I'm going to cut this lace off and then I'll be back when it is time to do baby hairs. So y'all know lately the girls been curling their baby hairs. So if you want to get you a good mini flat iron, I recommend this one. I will leave the link down to Amazon below. This little thing gets so hot. It has different temperature controls right here. And it goes up to 450. Lowest setting is 290. So these things right here, baby, they get the job done. Like, let me curl them again. It gives you that tight curl. Come on now, don't play. Okay guys, so I did the baby hairs. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie my edges down. And this is still glueless, y'all. Still freaking glueless. As you can see the comb is under there. This is glueless. So I'm gonna just tie it down with my scarf just to make my baby hairs last. This is what the curls look like when they are dry. This is what the curls look like defined, air dried after being washed. And then I'm gonna go ahead and rake this side out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spritz it and do all that good. So let's go ahead and just, y'all see this hair gets super big when you rake your hands through it. You don't want to disrupt the curls too much, but just a little finger raking. Don't go all the way through. I went through all the way on this side. And as you can see, the curls are still defined. And holding this shape. I left this on for like 5 minutes. Not too long at all. And here we go. Finished results. Of course, I want to do my makeup so y'all can see what the full, you know, you dig is giving. Try something different with the baby hair, like the little extra swirl. If you don't like it, it's not for you. But let's see. This color really complements my skin. Oh my god, y'all, this is pretty. It's definitely getting like autumn fall vibes. So if you're looking for like some autumn hair, this is the route to go. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful up against my skin. You ready for the fall, sis? This is the fall kit right here. I'll be back when the makeup is on. Hello, 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 y'all. This hair is eating the girls up. My baby hair a little messed up. Y'all can see the curls are popping. Don't play. The curls are popping and pretty. I love the color. Definitely, like I said a million times, it's giving fall vibes. So we love that. Y'all have been getting compliments on the color, the hair itself, all of that. So I'm just in love, and I'm actually going to be wetting it for y'all so y'all can see what it look like. But before I do that, I gotta go take some pictures. Okay, I gotta take some pictures. But yeah, y'all, I will leave all the details down below and on the screen right here. This is the 99J Kinky Curly 5x5 closure wig, and this is, did I say 14 inches? Yes, 14 inches. So this is where 14 inches stop at on me. Let me give y'all a little look of the back. Nice and full. So in love with this hair. Look like mine. I love it. Okay, girlies. So your girl took a full break. I was eating seafood, y'all, and the butter was dripping down my face. So I had to get myself together. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and wet these curls. This style to me is cute enough, but of course I want to show y'all what the hair look like when it's wet. Before we go ahead and wet it, I do want y'all to use my code. It'll be right here. It is Corinne23, Corinne23, Corinne23. Use that code so you can save you some money. But let's go ahead and wet this hair. In this bottle, y'all, there is literally just water, and I'm supposed to be linking this water bottle down below in all of my videos that I use it in. I'll be forgetting, but I'm gonna go back and do that tonight when I edit. So if you want this bottle, it's very cool. Let me actually show y'all. So it's like a continuous spray bottle. So you see it's still going. So it goes for about 5 seconds. If you need it longer than that, you just give this a few more presses and it'll just psh, without all the mess. So I can use my hands, and you see that the water is already defining those curls, or you can use your paddle brush to brush it through. And to help like with shedding and stuff, I like to start from the bottom and work my way up. That way you don't have your hair falling out. And as you can see also, when you wet the hair, it does get longer. That's with hair period. If it's wet, it's longer. You know, curly hair has shrinkage. So you see, this is not even completely wet. This is just damp, and then this is completely dry, defined curls. So we're gonna continue to wet her up. Okay, so we're just gonna brush it. Y'all see that? Yeah. Like I said, start from the bottom. Don't do what I was doing. But once you start from the bottom, the brush should literally go through. Now y'all see the difference. If I was gonna use any mousse or anything to help keep my curls, lately I've been using this Maui, this Maui Moisture Hairstyling Flexible Hold Coconut Milk Curl Foam Mousse. That's a long name for what, when they could just say mousse. I typically use any kind of mousse that I have on hand. Like if it's any kind of curling mousse, I'll just go ahead and use it. I haven't found something that I'm like, oh, she that girl. So I've been trying this one out. I like it. Smells good. So clearly, y'all, I run my mouth too much, so I have to cut this audio off and just do a voiceover. But I just went ahead and added that mousse just to keep that wet look all day. So I'm gonna go do this side off camera and then I'll be back once it is complete. This is what the hair looks like wet. And as I stated before, you are able to do a side part. Yeah, so this is the side part, and again, you could do it the other side as well. But y'all, I hope that y'all got the gist of everything. This really concludes the video, so I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you are feeling this wig. Perfect for the fall. The color's beautiful, curls are beautiful. It's all day in a bag of chips. Okay, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Don't forget to use my code. Thank you so much, LUVME, for sending me this beautiful wig, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.